Hello, girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts Vision Intelligence on Jetson Nano Zero to Hero series. Alright, guys, we are on lesson number 2, and in this lesson, I am going to show how to remove and update Jetson Nano for Vision Intelligence environment. Alright, so basically, guys, in this lesson, I will show you how to free up space from your Jetson Nano by removing some unwanted applications which are not required for Vision Intelligence at all, right? And robotics, of course. So I will also show you how to run all the 128 core parallel processing speed up by modifying few settings. So that's going to boost up your Jetson Nano to optimize the performance when you run huge amount of data and algorithms going forward. Alright, guys, so let me log into my Jetson Nano. I am already logged in. This is my terminal, and okay, so first of all, I will show you a setting how to modify the speed for Jetson Nano. Alright, so there is something called sudo nvpmodel, sudo nvpmodel space -m space 0. Okay, hit enter and you don't get any output. we are changing the settings in the kernel itself. Okay, and then sudo Jetson underscore clocks, CLOCKS. Okay, there you go. Excuse me. Now basically, guys, the first command nvpmodel -m space 0, this particular command basically handles two power options for your Jetson Nano. Okay, one is the 5-watt mode. You can also see it on the top of your screen, 5-watt mode, which shows as 1, and the second one is 10-watt mode, which shows as 0. Okay, you can either directly select it and run your program, but by doing this way on the terminal, what happens is you will set it once for all permanently, or else you'll have, every time you log into Jetson Nano, you have to keep changing the settings from your on your window. So the default is the higher watt mode, but it is always best to force the mode before running the Jetson clocks command. Okay, Jetson underscore clocks command. So after you have set your Jetson Nano for the maximum power, which is the 10-watt mode, you need to go ahead and remove the LibreOffice, which is nothing but your Excel in Windows. Okay, so we don't need LibreOffice in Jetson Nano at all. It's not required. We are not going to use it for robotics or any other stuffs. Okay, it consumes a lot of space, and we won't need it for Vision Intelligence as well. Okay, so how do we do that? So this is what the command is: sudo apt-get space purge. Okay, LibreOffice, sudo, that is your admin command, sudo apt-get space purge LibreOffice, and then you need to put an asterisk. That is, you need to press shift and the star asterisk. I had already removed it from my Jetson Nano, so I'm just showing it to you. I'll just run this command again. I doubt it's going to execute. So yeah, it's already been correct. So it's already been removed for me. And then you got to run sudo apt-get clean. So this is going to clean up your entire uninstallable stuff which you already installed, that is the LibreOffice. Is going to clear up from your RAM itself. Okay, it's something like removing the cache. Now you need to, the most important thing, the last and final, you got to update your system, right, which will actually make sure that your system is absolutely clean and you have sufficient amount of space and there is no unwanted cache and stuff like that. So sudo apt-get update, sudo space apt minus get space update ampersand. Okay, you need to give a space and then ampersand twice. All right guys, and then space sudo apt minus get upgrade. All right, sudo space apt minus get space update and then ampersand twice between two space, and then again sudo command with apt minus get space upgrade. All right, I have already done this, so ideally, yeah, this is going to take some time guys. So what we can do is, I can either okay, so this is going to take a while. All right guys, so what you can do is, it's going to take at least about 4 to 5 minutes, but do not please interrupt the system. Do not press anything else in the keyboard. Let it run, let it clean up, and then you will see a fresh terminal. Okay, you can just clear the command and then we will be back soon. All right guys, that's it for this particular lesson. I'm going to be back soon in the next lesson. I'll show you how to set up the environment by installing various other packages and stuff like that. So until then, see you, bye bye. Give me a thumbs up and do like my video. Bye bye, see you.